Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to enable full screen display in Galaxy F70 Pro. Just watch the video till end and follow the steps one by one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.